Good morning student. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn what comes after, before and between number. So I think you are understand students what comes after, before and between number. So let's start. First what comes after? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is counting 1 to 10. So student, this is 1 and second number is 2 number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10. So what will come? What will come after 2? Yes. What will come after 2? 3. 3. What will come after 5? 6. What will come after 8? 9. 9. Okay. And what will come after 10? 11. Understand students? Means increase number या ascending number is what comes after. जो हमारे बाद नंबर आएंगे या suppose that this is student row है ना. Understand this? There have 3 pictures. Suppose that Ram, Shyam and Mohan. तो राम what will come? राम after श्याम. तो राम के आफ्टर कौन है? श्याम. एंड what will come after श्याम? दिस मोहन. तो यहाँ पे हमें जो हमारे बाद नंबर आएंगे या काउंटिंग के बाद नंबर आते हैं या इंक्रीजिंग नंबर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर आप बढ़ते हुए जाते हैं वो है what comes after. तो what comes after? What comes after 7? 8. What will come after 3? What will come after 3? Suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will come after 3? 4. तो 4 नंबर है आपका आफ्टर नंबर. क्या है? आफ्टर नंबर. What will come after 3? 4. 4 है आपका आफ्टर नंबर. And what will come before 4? Before 4 what will come before 4? 3. क्या होगा? 3 हो गया आपका before. 3 हो गया before and 3 के बाद आया 4 2 हो गया after and between आप समझ सकते हैं कि what will come between this 2 जो हमारे बीच में आ रहा है या सपोज दैट इसमें A B C. तो जो हमारे B है वो है बिटवीन एंड आफ्टर. A के आफ्टर कौन है? B. तो ये है B आफ्टर एंड B से बिफोर है A. एंड जब हम बिटवीन को चूज करेंगे तो जो हमारे बीच में होगा एंड यू आर सिटिंग देयर इन द क्लास एंड 3 स्टूडेंट्स. तो जो बीच में होता है वो है बिटवीन. So I think you are understand this. Suppose that fifteen. So what will come 15 after? 16. Okay? Understand? What will come after 15? 16 number. 16 आपके डाउन साइड ही आता है ना. बढ़ते हुए इंक्रीज हो रही है नंबर्स. Understand? And what will come before 15? 14. Very good. I think understand you are. And understand this number. And what will come after? What will come after 50? What will come after 50? 51. Very good. And what will come before? 49. Understand students? Okay? And this is between number. Yes, in between number. 24 after, and you are understand this after number, so no have problem in between number identity. So after number is 24 after 25 and 26 before. 26 before, what will come before 26? 25. 25 is between number. 25 is between. Okay, I think understand students. So today's your homework is open books and understand this what comes after, before and between number, and increasing counting is after number, and in upper side number is before number. What will come? 4 before, 2 before, and what comes after? What will come after 4? 5. What will come after 4? 5. Okay. So today is your homework. 12, 19, 36, 40, 44, 58, 60, 77. Yes. Yes. Look at students. This is number is 12. 12. What will come after 12? After. What will come after 12? So counting, did counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 after 13. 12 after 13. And what will come before 12? What will come before 12? Yes. What will come before 12? Yes, read counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 11 is before. Okay, understand this? And next 19. What will come after 19? 19 after 20. 20. And what will come before 19? Before 19, just before 19. Just before. So just before. Just before. Just before. Suppose that 19. 19. Yeah, 19. So 19 before is 18. 18. What will come before 19? 18. Understand? 11, 12, 13. Okay. And this what will come after 36? Yes, tell me what will come after 36? 36 after 37. Good. And what will come before 36? Before 36? Before 36, just upside number, 35. And what will come after 40? 41. And what will come just before 40? 39. So these work are write down in notebook and understand this what comes after, before and between. Okay students, and understands suppose that row, according to row या कोई आप थिंग्स रख सकते हैं इक्वल, या सपोज दैट what comes after mango? Grapes. What comes after mango? Grapes. And what comes before grapes? मैंगो. अंडरस्टैंड? तो जो इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है वो है हमारा व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर, एंड जो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जा रही है काउंटिंग आपकी नंबर्स, वो है आपके व्हाट कम्स बिफोर। लेस होना है, वहाँ पे लेस हो रही है। ओके, तो जस्ट आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आफ्टर नंबर है वो हमारे काउंटिंग को इंक्रीज करेगा, हमें आगे बढ़ना है। जो इसके बाद नंबर आने वाला है वो आफ्टर नंबर है, और जस्ट जो इसके ऊपर है वो हमारा बिफोर नंबर है। और जब हम बिटवीन करेंगे तो जो हमारा ये बीच में आता है वो हो जाएगा हमारा बिटवीन। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड दिस? लुक एट वंस मोर टाइम। सपोज दैट 11, 12, 13, 11 है बिफोर एंड दिस 11 आफ्टर इसको कर सकते हैं, बट अगर हमें बिटवीन अंडरस्टैंड करना है तो ये है हमारा बिटवीन नंबर 12। 12 है बिटवीन 13 से, क्योंकि 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13, तो मिसिंग नंबर क्या है 12, तो यहाँ पे हमें 12 को फिल करना। 11, 12, 13, 11 नंबर, 11, 12, 13 and 12 is between number, 12 is between number, sorry, 12 between number, and what will come after 12? 13. What will come after 12? 13. So I think you are understand this, what comes after and before, between, and write down this work in notebook and complete this work. Okay student, thank you.